Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the one of the voltage non-contact tester. So I got this out of eBay for $9.99 plus tax. So and free shipping. So it's about $10.80 something cents. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. This is like a pen like. I'm gonna open this up. Let me get a scissor. So this one is the made in China. So it comes with the instruction booklet. It's in multiple languages. It's a NEOTECK non-contact AC voltage tester, and it requires two of these AAA batteries. So the review on this one's that's got 5-star or 5-star. A lot of people use this one to replace their fluke voltage meter. See which way. So this one has a spring, so that means negative on the cap. Then this is a screw-on type. And then there's a LED light. Wow. In case you are working at nighttime. And that's a power on or off. So we're gonna move to a station and then we're gonna test this out real quick with the AC plug. So you could actually use this on around the AC plug or your circuit breaker. So let's go ahead and test this out. And then there's a clip right here. And this is only for AC only, okay? Let's move on to the nearest AC plug. So it seems like if I go near the the plug with the plug into the device, it pick up more sensitivity. So this is with a flash light, LED flash, pretty good, pretty bright. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. See what do you guys think about this NEOTECK non-contact AC voltage tester. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Like always, peace.